Consider division of polynomials, where we have given that h of x equals x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4x plus 3, and q of x equals x plus 1. Find h of x divided by q of x. Solution. We'll write x plus 1 here, and this line goes this way, and we have x cubed plus x squared minus 4x plus 3 inside. Now we first of all use x cubed and divide by x. Now for x cubed divided by x will give us x squared, and we take x squared and multiply the divisor, that is x plus 1. Therefore we have x squared times x cubed, x squared times 1, we have plus x squared. We subtract. X cubed minus x cubed is 0. 2x squared minus x squared is x squared. We bring down minus 4x. Again, x squared divided by x gave us plus x. We multiply everything here, so x times x give us x squared, x times 1 give us plus x. We try to subtract, so x squared minus x squared is gone, minus 4x plus minus 4x minus x gives minus 5x. We bring down plus 3. We also do the same thing, minus 5x divided by x, which gives minus 5, and minus 5 times x gives minus 5x. Minus 5 times 1 gives minus 5. We also subtract. Minus 5x minus minus 5x gives 0. 3 minus minus 5 gives 8. Therefore, we have x squared plus x minus 5 as a quotient and 8 as the remainder.